Go home happy with the 2019 Hyundai Elantra. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This energetic and feature-packed Elantra delivers the style and convenience you need to make driving a soothing part of your busy day. From its sculpted modern looks to its refined ride and tech-savvy approach to safety and infotainment, this compact sedan represents an exceptional value. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, heated mirrors, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels, alarm. Get the refinement you deserve when you drive away in this stylish Elantra. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.